Okay, we're going to do the same thing again. This time we're going to look at the mosaic and we're going to see how many quadrilaterals we can find. So before we look at it, help me remember, what's a quadrilateral? There's that really big word. Turn and talk to somebody. What's a quadrilateral? Okay, hopefully you said a quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So here is my picture or my mosaic, and I want to find all of the quadrilaterals. So let's start. Before we start though, I want you to make a prediction just like we did last time. How many quadrilaterals do you think are in this mosaic? Write it down really quickly. Okay, let's get started. Let's see if you're right. So 1, 2, 3. That's a triangle, so I'm going to color it. No, that's what I did for the first one. I'm looking for quadrilaterals this time, so that one doesn't work. This one might work though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that doesn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one works. Oops. Okay, and that one works. So those both work. Let's look at this next row. Let's see, where can we find some quadrilaterals? Oh, I see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see. Oh yeah, that one works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that one works. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one works also. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. That one didn't work. 1, 2, 3. Nope, that one doesn't work either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, I'm looking for 4-sided figures, not 5. All right, next row it is. Let's see. Ooh, there's one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this one work? 1, 2, 3? No. 1, 2, 3. Nope, that one doesn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close, but no. 1, 2, 3. Does that one work? Nope, that one didn't work either. All right, moving to our last row. Let's see. Yeah, that one works. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this one? Does it work? Is it a quadrilateral? Yeah, that one's a quadrilateral also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you had an estimation to decide how many quadrilaterals you thought were going to be in this picture. Was your estimation right? Let's see. So let's count how many we had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we miss any? Let's double check just to make sure really fast. 1, 2, 3. Nope, that one didn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Darn, I really thought that one was a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got them all. So there were 9 quadrilaterals in this picture.